Introduce highlight features or overview summary for EliteEdge 24,000 BTU mini split air conditioner heat pump system. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: powerful and energy efficient. Delivers 24,000 BTU with advanced 19 SEER2 inverter technology for rapid cooling and heating in rooms up to 1,500 square feet. Enjoy strong performance and year-round comfort while saving on energy bills with this efficient mini-split system. 4-season versatility. This mini-split air conditioner features cooling, heating, drying, fan, and auto modes, plus robust dehumidification, 120 pints per day, and 4 fan speeds, including turbo. Maintains ideal indoor climate in any season with up to 50 feet long-distance airflow. Smart Wi-Fi control. Connects to your home Wi-Fi for seamless app and voice control. Set timers, schedules, and temperature preferences from anywhere, making this mini-split system unit perfect for smart homes and busy lifestyles. Whisper quiet operation. Runs at just 50 decibels for peaceful comfort in bedrooms, offices, and living rooms. Sleep mode and 24-hour timer ensure uninterrupted, noise-free cooling or heating day and night. Complete installation kit. Our split AC includes indoor and outdoor units, 13 feet copper line set, 15 feet communication wire, and 6.5 feet drain pipe. It is designed for 230 volts power supply. Professional HVAC installation is recommended for best results. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.